This little bitty device can destroy your engine. We'll talk why people never replace it, and we'll explain the symptoms of bad PCV valve. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Challenger. You want to know what are the symptoms of bad PCV valve, how it can destroy your engine or your car. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. This little device, it's something that most people will never check or change guys. And if you check your service manual, you should replace it quite often. And if you don't, you can pay the price by having new engine installed or the old one rebuilt, and we'll explain why. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Oh, and in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So what we have specifically here guys, this is a Dodge Challenger that we have V6, but even if you have a V8, the procedure will be about the same for both cars. So let's talk about that now. Okay, what can cause that, how to fix it, all that stuff, symptoms of bad PCV valve, and let's talk what PCV valve is for. This is guys your PCV valve. This is positive crankcase ventilation valve. The V8 engines will have a different one that's actually smaller looking, but the valve itself, it's practically right here, only that part right there. The purpose of the valve, PCV valve, it's known as a positive crankcase ventilation valve. What it does, when the engine runs, okay, you know, it will get fuel, air, the piston will go up, compress it, the ignition coil and the spark plug will ignite. It will create an explosion. That explosion will drive the piston down. That will create power, but you will have blow-by gas go around the piston rings. So that blow-by gas will make its way from the crankcase all the way to the practically valve covers and everywhere in the engine, because everything's connected through oil passages. And if you don't have anything to take that pressure out, you will develop multiple leaks, gasket leaks, crankshaft seal leaks, front rear crankshaft seal leaks. You can even destroy practically the engine, and head gasket back pressure can destroy your engine as well. So what can take that thing out of the engine? It's known as the PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation system. It takes that pressure, separates the oil, fumes from that pressure, the oil goes back in the engine, and the clean air is injected in the intake manifold, and from there burns through the engine. But if that valve fails, it can fail in multiple ways: stuck open, stuck closed, not working correctly. It could guys cause multiple things. One is increased oil consumption. You can be burning quite a bit of oil as a result, because it will be just inserted in the intake manifold, burned through the engine. Number two, excessive smoke, exhaust smoke. Number three, that extra oil can in the long run destroy your catalytic converters. Number four, it could make the spark plugs dirty. That can cause misfire, rough idle, hard start as well. Number five guys, okay, it could fail in another way. It could be stuck close. You may start developing or not opening all the way, develop multiple oil leaks, gaskets failing. You fix one oil leak, another one develops, and another one. So that could be another reason. It can cause backfire. It can cause, in some cases, lean rich fuel mixture, because it will simulate vacuum leak. That lean or rich fuel mixture guys, okay, will try to be compensated by the engine computer, and that can cause multiple troubles for the engine, catalytic converters. You may get check engine light and codes for lean rich fuel mixture for bad oxygen sensors, even such as P0171, 174, multiple codes guys. So check engine light on, increase fuel oil consumption in some cases, smoke, oil leaks, rough idle, unstable engine operation, hesitant engine. Okay, all that can be caused by that little bitty device that you're supposed to change quite often. And if you check your service manual, it will say how many miles you need to how many miles you need to change that, and if you don't, you can pay the price for it and you can end up spending thousands of dollars in damages, guys. So take care of it, check yours. We have a video how to replace it, we have a video how to test PCV valve if you need help with that. If you want to know anything specific, guys, on Dodge Challenger, just let us know. We will be more than glad to make the video for you. If you have any questions, let us know, and see you guys next time.